Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome. My name is Angela. I am a full-time voiceover artist and audiobook narrator, and this channel is dedicated to those of you that are just getting started out in this wonderful world of voiceover. And through this channel, I share with you some of the techniques and some of the tips and tricks that I use every day in my own voiceover business. So what I realize is that a lot of my content as of recently has been about Fiverr and ACX and kind of the struggle of keeping with a new business and that sort of thing. But what I wanted to touch on today is a little bit about Upwork. I spend probably not as much time on Upwork as I do on Fiverr. But I do get quite a bit of business from Upwork, and I was on there today and I realized that I haven't updated my demo in quite a while. And I'm not talking about like the portfolio. There's actually a video introduction, they call it, that you can add to your profile that is a link to a video from YouTube. So I'm going to update my video today, and you're going to come along with me so you can see how to add a video introduction to your own Upwork profile. So let's get into it. So here we are on my Upwork profile dashboard. And to get here, you would go to this drop down here and select Profile. So if I click on that, that brings me to my profile. And if we scroll down a little bit here, you can see there is a video introduction that you can add. And mine was added over a year ago, I believe. So it's about time to update that video introduction. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to hop over to YouTube and upload the video that I want to use, because the video introduction here, there isn't a way to upload a video directly, and I believe that has something to do with the servers for Upwork, which is okay, because if you also use Fiverr, you'll know what I'm talking about. When you upload a video directly to Fiverr, sometimes the playback of the audio of that video on your gig profile is, not the best, right? Because everything is compressed to fit on their server. Whereas with Upwork, what they do is they take embedded content from other hosts, like YouTube. So we first need to upload our demo to YouTube. So we're going to do that now. Okay, so here we are on my YouTube page, and this is where you upload your videos to YouTube. So first I'm going to select the demo that I already have made. So while that's uploading, what I'm going to do is actually flesh out my upload here, because this will be live on YouTube. I'm not going to keep it as unlisted or private. This is going to be a demo that will serve two purposes. It'll be a demo that is on my YouTube channel, and it'll be a demo that is on my Upwork profile. So I'm going to flesh out the rest of this upload, or the details of the video. So I'm going to call this video VoiceOver Demo 2021. And for the description, okay, now that I've got the title and description filled out, I'm going to use the same thumbnail that I use at the beginning of my demo. And for the playlist, I'm going to select my video voice portfolio. And for my tags, I'm going to use tags that clients can find me on, or people looking for examples of voiceovers, using some of the recommended tags that I get using vidIQ. So I'm going to select voiceover, voice acting, voice actor. VoiceOverAngela, oops, spell my own name right. VoiceOverAngela and VoiceOverAngela. It's spelled both ways sometimes. And then we're also going to use VoiceOver Demo, Demo Reel, Video Demo Reel, Female American Voice. Just had Amazon drop something off. Okay, so American, let's do American voiceover artist. Let's refresh the tags. See what we get now. Nothing that's going to help me. Okay. And then for the video language, English, recording date, I'm going to leave all that stuff just normal. All right, next. And then this one's going to be public. And now we're going to publish. So now what I'm going to do is copy this link and then go over to Upwork. And then we're going to hit this little plus button. And then we're going to paste in this YouTube video link on this box here. And then what type of video is this? It is visual samples of my work. And then submit. And there is my new introductory meet me, check out my work video. Now, there still are my portfolio videos down here. These are just additional samples of stuff that I have done in the past. However, this one is the one that's going to be seen with your profile picture. So imagine that you're a client and you're looking for a voiceover artist and you're going through the profiles of different people. If you put in voiceover into the search bar, and all of these people show up with, a short snapshot of what they offer, their profile picture, their title, and then this video shows up next to their face. So this will be one of the first impressions that I give clients when they're looking for somebody on Upwork. And to me, this one is a lot cleaner looking and hopefully will win me some more work. So that is how you add a video introduction to your profile on Upwork. I hope this video was helpful. I appreciate your time. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like and subscribe buttons. I really appreciate it. If you have any particular questions or comments, please feel free to leave them down below. I always love hearing from you guys. And if you would like more information about me, my work, or how I can help you get started in voiceover, check out my website at voiceoverangela.com. Thank you so much again for your time, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.